Hi, Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 5008 SUV. This particular one's an active with the 1.6 120 brake horsepower blue HDI diesel with the 6-speed manual gearbox. This particular car is in Cumulus grey metallic and was registered 2018 on an 18 plate and has done just under 7,300 miles. We're on London Road in Dorchester. If you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or even take a test drive, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.